We do advanced aircraft maintenance, munitions, and logistics training here for students that come in. We put them through a 12-week course, and we are applying advanced training in the form of realistic, relevant, and responsive type training so that they can meet emerging threats in the field.
I learned a lot, and I filled in a lot of the gaps of the information that I didn't have before. I've been doing production for about 10 years now, but there's still stuff I took from this course. It's very tiring this last week for the capstone. A lot of long days, starting at 7 in the morning and going until about 1 o'clock at night, trying to get our information, our briefing straight.
It's a very rigorous course, and so they've been put into a position where it is very similar to real-world operations in that you might be given a tasking order to execute within a very short amount of time. And so we induce that rush on them by having to analyze loads of data, find what the requirement is, what our capability is, and be able to speak then to the deficit that's in between those two. And not only to speak to it, but then to problem solve on how to solve those deltas.
Yes, sir. In case the plan changes mid-flight. Currently there's no weather forecasted or anything like that.
Very challenging course, probably the hardest one I've done since I've been in the Air Force. It's the level of detail that they want to get out of you on the information that they're teaching you. A lot of Air Force classes are A-level knowledge, just yes or no, and this one's making you break down that knowledge and explain it, why it's important and why we're doing it.
They will be that subject matter expert for that wing commander, that maintenance group commander, the ops group commander, and even that MSG. For when that unit is tasked, they are the person that wing commander should be calling and making sure that they're front and center and being able to help them problem solve and how to get them out the door.